Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your JBL Wave Buds with your Android phone. So all I have to do is just to remove this earbuds from the case, and they will move to the pairing mode automatically. We don't even have to press on any buttons. Just open the Bluetooth settings on your device, click to pair new device, select your JBL Wave Buds from the list, accept the pairing, and right now you have to open the Play Store, so we have to type the JBL headphones. We are going to get this application. Okay, right now just open it. Accept the permissions, accept another time, and then you have to just select your JBL Wave Buds from the list. And as you can see right now, we will be successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.